Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A10 and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this Samsung. Start by opening any app, like Play Store. Then click Home button and tap on this button with 3 lines. After that, click on the icon of an app, select Opening Pop-up View, and as you can see, now I can use my app in this little window over here and even hold it and move it around. Then let go. And do it again to place it somewhere else. If you want to use it overlay other apps, just click on any other app, and now you can use both of them. If you wish to close this window, you have to go into background apps again and close it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!